Hello, as you know that I already tried some Khasis traditional food and some spicy food, I realized that you never tried food which I can cook, Russian food. So in this video I will cook some Russian items and then we'll go out and give people to try and see if you will like it. For cooking I will use stuff which I got from Meesho. And let me tell a little bit more in details about this. I will start explanation with this set of pans, which comes with this spatula. It cost 1,357 rupees. Can you imagine, sometimes in a shop we can buy only one pan for this price. And here you get 5 pans, different size, with the spatula. Then we come to plates, which we also need for our food. It comes in a set of 6 plates and it costs 598 rupees. Then we're moving to knives. Knives comes in a full set, 4 knives, 1 scissor. The price is 400 for the whole set. And the last one, I will explain you about these wooden spatulas. The price for 7 pieces is 188 rupees.
Get your first order discount of 50% off, up to 50 rupees off by using the link given in the description below to download the Meesho app. Meesho has more than 60 lakh products, 1+ crore users, product variety available like shoes, accessories, home utility, kitchen utility, etc. Okay, time to cook. So first dish which I'm going to make calls blinchiki. In Russia we eat it mostly for breakfast with honey, cream or jam. It's like pancakes, but much thinner. Sometimes there are more hearty options with a filling with meat or fish, and then we can have them for dinner as well.
Oh, and yes, and Meesho you has free delivery, cash on delivery, and you can easily return your products.
Last step, we need to roll it before giving to people.
In Russia we call it blinchiki.
Okay, love
So
people.
it's like pancake type, but a little bit thinner.
Oh.
Yeah, try.
Take pancake.
Yeah, this.
Blinchiki.
Ano? Blame mo?
To bam yan sa kali bang ng bang.
Come take. So, how is it?
It's good.
Bang.
Ready to bite pa tayo.
Bang.
Yang hey, keep it there. Bang.
Bangan. Pampalat.
If you rate out of 10, kano?
I think 9.5.
9.7. To.
Bam.
10 ba?
Actually, it's sweet. I like sweet things. It's good.
Out of 10?
Probably 9.5.
Oh, bang.
Bang.
Bang. Mix ba't igay din?
Tangumay da, kadot, mukhan, baka takatay.
Oh, bang.
Tas di ba fry pa tayo.
Second dish which I'm going to make will be meat with a mashed potato. We add salt, pepper and paprika to the meat and fry it in oil and butter. Oh guys, it smells so good. Then we cut the onion and send it to the pan where meat was fried. Put a little bit flour and water to make a sauce. Then cream to make the dish more tender. This is also one of the popular food. We eat this for lunch or dinner.
Second dish is also done. We call it beef stroganoff.
Gary. Em nào.
Bằng ba.
Phala ne phala re ne.
Phala.
Phala. Shade is different. Honest.
Bang đây.
The best.
First time you jumpa pala.
Smile. Butter bhaga you. Adok.
Kado. Panu la khle. Makan teh.
Kunjuk hi. You smart.
Take more for you to understand.
Abang. Phala em ne kum no ne.
Try and say how is that different from what you eat here, or it's the same. How is it?
Long kum no.
Ubang kita mga sungo katis ulang umdalong different han sa do katata.
Okay. Le ubang pa de.
Ubang.
Okay.
Okay, we're done with our video, and here we left something for ourselves. And do remember that Meesho gives 15% off up to 50 rupees by using link given in description below to download the Meesho app. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.